just got done eating dinner here, and the little one came over to me and asked me a question first, actually. She said, "What is wraps?" If you know what a wrap is, would you write your answer in the description or in the comment section down below? But what I was amazed by, especially as an advocate of continuous improvement and somebody who's passionate about lean, is...
I'm not 20.
Oh, how old are you?
I'm turning 9.
Oh, 9-year-old made a checklist for her lunch, and we've been using that same format since you were, how old were you when you started using a checklist?
5.
5 years old. And a lot of parents ask, she's turning 9 in June, how come she knows how to pack her lunch already? It's lean. That's continuous improvement. She's got this amazing checklist here, and she puts one of each inside her lunch pail, and then it's healthy.
So I'm gonna have crackers, a sandwich, a dessert, a fruit, and for dessert I usually have like a piece of candy.
Oh yeah.
Or a cookie.
Yeah.
And sometimes yogurt and sometimes popcorn. If I have mac and cheese, it's a leftover.
Alright. What an amazing future process engineer and improvement specialist we got here.
I asked
Checklist.
what are wraps?
Checklist by the most phenomenal 8-year-old in the world. That was a close-up of the checklist, by the way. One of the 7 basic quality tools. Thought I'd share that with you guys. I think it's pretty cool that we're using some of the 7 basic quality tools to pack lunches. And
Bye.
thanks for watching.
Bye.
Pass on one of the basic quality tools to your children.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, and there's Mommy. We love Mommy. Have a good day.